just so pure up onto the hill.
Oh, use of the feet, he's got this. And that's gone high as well. Has it got enough on it? You betcha. It's gone for 6. Only just. Bennett and McCullum were chasing it down. But
Edge and Taylor puts it down. Genuine opportunity there to get to very, very quick.
Once again, from Tim Southey, he's been bowling well, concentrating on the off stump. Just a tentative jab there, and yes, regulation catch.
oh, Fuller, there's an inside edge on that. Gary Baxter says no, shake of the head, not out. Oh, it's a good start. Good start from Kyle Mills. It's a maiden. 1 over gone. Batsman. India dealing in singles. Oh, use of the feet, he's got this. And that's gone high as well. Has it got enough on it? You betcha. It's gone for 6. Only just. Bennett and McCullum were chasing it down. But Rohit Sharma gets reward for this shot.
He's prepared if it is slow. He's been out there for long enough, and it's good stuff. I think it's just a bounce. It's just quite a high bounce. Is why he's getting underneath it a little bit too much.
Edge and Taylor puts it down. Genuine opportunity there to get to very, very quickly. And it's well played and good enough too. Straight into the fence. Gee, that was a good shot. He saw it early.
Yes, he picked it up very early, picked the line, picked the length up timing. Again, pulling off the front foot. But that's a terrific shot. I'm looking forward to seeing the new ground turn.
It's hard for an off-spinner these days. With the way the field has to be set, you can only have... In the air and over top of about first slip. 1 bounce and into the boundary for 4. Well, this is a case of fortune favours the brave. He's charged. It probably wasn't there for that sort of shot. Look at the top edge over slip. Oh, it's got past Wonky. He had a good go at it. And it's got a thick outside edge and past the gloves of Luke Wonky.
'50 partnership.
It's a steady the innings, but they need a lot more.
Glorious. When he strokes the ball through the covers, it's as good as anyone will. Easy. Very, very easy for Rohit Sharma. Oh, this time. That is just so pure up onto the hill. Glorious strike. A long way back. 50 for Rohit Sharma.
Yes, it's been some time coming. This is just the 4th game. He hasn't quite been at his bit with the extra bounce over here. But he's coming to terms with it at the moment. As you said, a glorious hit and a missed opportunity there.
Second time I've seen that go into someone's head. Oh, that's beautiful. Gee, that's clever cricket. Today might be the day for Sharma. They're back in line for a decent score. Oh, now then, that's gone too far, surely. Yes, it has. Guptill ran round with optimism, but in the end, no price, 100 up. Gee, that was easy, wasn't it? Oh, made that look so simple.
Work from Guptill. Wow. He says, part-timer, I'm having some of you. Very first ball. If it wasn't for the big tree, it's off the road, on the road and off down the road.
He's making his intentions very clear early. It's come out of the screws. That's a big hit.
Not much protection there. Is it a chance? No, it's not. Just over the boundary for 6.
We saw Rohit Sharma play a unbelievable shot off Nathan McCullum over extra cover. This time it's off the quicker bowler, Tim Southey. Wonderful base again. And just a nice swing of the bat through the line of the ball. Flat blade.
Oh, gets it fine. Fine for 4, so there'll be 11 runs off the over. A couple of good ones for India. 32 gone. It's 141 for 3. Yeah, giving it. He is giving it. Well, it just was all very low-key, I think you should say, from the New Zealanders. Just straight off the bat, is it? Yeah, straight off the bat into the gloves. Good catch.
The old-fashioned strangle. It's a horrible way of getting out, especially for a man. But a very good catch from Luke Ronke nonetheless. Down the leg side, never easy. Rohit Sharma departs for 79, India 142 for 4.